Are you seeing errors created by the Wucltux.dll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before we begin the manual steps for Wucltux library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Wucltux library, the Windows Update Client User Experience module. It houses the localized UI templates and localized icons for restart required alerts and the localized Windows Update settings pane. Failure results in localized update notifications appearing as blank pop-ups. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Wucltux is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wucltux library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Wucltux library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Wucltux library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Wucltux library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.